too there, Brona. Thank you. Well, at least 2 lawsuits now filed to stop part of the new Illinois criminal justice reform law known as the SAFETY Act from taking effect.
Prosecutors in Kankakee and Will counties are taking Governor J.B. Pritzker to court, claiming part of the bill he signed into law is unconstitutional. WGN's Mike Lowe is following this development and joins us with more. Mike.
Jackie and Ray, good evening to both of you. Prosecutors are asking to judge to stall or to stop the implementation of this law. Meantime, it's becoming a question of whether this is about politics or public safety. Prosecutors in Kankakee County and Will County are taking on the SAFETY Act. The 800-page law eliminates cash bail in Illinois and is set to take effect next year on January 1st. It has become a central issue in the campaign for governor, with Republican nominee Darren Bailey framing it as a law that will make it difficult to detain accused offenders and allow criminals to run rampant. And Governor J.B. Pritzker saying the law implements necessary criminal justice reforms, doing away with a system that has overwhelmingly hurt the poor. Today, the Kankakee County State's Attorney Jim Rowe filed a lawsuit in Kankakee County Circuit Court naming 2 defendants, Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul and Governor J.B. Pritzker. The lawsuit alleges that the SAFETY Act is unconstitutional because, the lawsuit says, it violates the single subject rule, which mandates that a piece of legislation contain only one topic, and alleges the statute is unconstitutionally vague. Today, WGN's Paul Lisnek interviewed Republican House Leader Jim Durkin.
Start over.
The former prosecutor says lawmakers should throw out the SAFETY Act and go back to the drawing board.
This is becoming an issue because people are starting to take notice, and this is going to go into effect in January 1st, where you're going to have a serious situation regarding public safety in Illinois.
And this week, Governor Pritzker responded to criticism of the law, saying conservatives have been spreading misinformation.
Well, let's just set the record straight with everybody. The SAFETY Act is designed to keep murderers and domestic abusers, violent criminals in jail. I'm making sure that we're, also addressing the problem of a single mother who shoplifted diapers for her baby, who is put in jail and kept there for 6 months because she doesn't have a couple of $100s to pay for bail. So that's what the SAFETY Act is about.
And a statement from the governor's office tonight says, quote, these lawsuits are a weak attempt to protect the status quo that lets murderers and abusers pay their way out of jail. The SAFETY Act not only prevents that from happening, but also provides law enforcement officers the tools they need to fight crime, like body cameras, additional training, and access to mental health care. Victims' rights organizations support the law, and the state will defend the creating a more equitable criminal justice system in court. Other states, including New York and New Jersey, have passed similar laws limiting the use of cash bail. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Mike. Coming up, Riot Fest returns to Douglas Park.